Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to enter the display options. Now let's tap on advanced, and under it we've got the screen timeout option, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. And what's more, 1 minute option is applied. Of course, it is marked, and all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the option we would like to use. So I will pick 10 minutes, for example, and as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again. That was a misclick. We do not have to enter this option again because it is notified right here that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to check and change the screen timeout in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.